Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is a full resort hopping day. We're starting off by exploring some of the Disney resorts, and then we're heading straight into the parks. And then to end it all, we're heading to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge with a stop at Olga's Cantina to finish off this adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! And starting off first, the Swan Resort. But no grand tree here. These are just little trees. Bonus points. This whole thing's made out of chocolate. Everything you see in this display is made entirely of edible material, including the sugar candy canes and the fondue covered presents and bows. Okay, that's bonus points. It's chocolate. Now I'm mentioning it, now I'm smelling it a little bit. I won't do it. Yeah. But you can smell it. It smells like chocolate. Look how many calories this whole thing is. So the Dolphin does have a grand tree. And they have poinsettias. Kind of decorated pretty well. Not Christmas related, but there's Mike from Monsters Inc. like made out of glass. Well, this is disappointing. What used to be Don Shula Steakhouse is now called Bourbon Steak. What? Guess I'm never gonna eat at the Don Shula restaurant now. This sucks. Why did they do that? All the pictures of the dolphins are gone. But the bills have something to do with this. All right, we're going into the beach club, see what they got to offer as far as Christmas. My mistake, it's the yacht club. I always confuse those two. All right, what do we have here? Another grand Christmas tree. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's just made out of chocolate too, but it's cool.
This is cool. I like this.
Why can't my Christmas village look like this? Oh man, that thing has a train. That thing. Oh, it goes through a little cave. This guy here is plowing his front yard. He has a basketball hoop. That little house is cool. That thing stopped working, I guess. Over here, I don't know why they got a Mickey's gumball. And there's Santa in the snow cave. And there's the train again. All right, that's nice. That in the tree. I don't know if it beats the chocolate. The chocolate was, but this is very close. All right, so we got the Swan, the Dolphin, and the Yacht Club. Let me know in the comments which one wins so far. All right. Well, everybody's surrounding this. What is this? It's a carousel, and I bet it's made out of chocolate. It's made out of chocolate.
Alright, so I guess for you this is gonna win.
This is moving. Okay, so, but I don't see no grand tree here. So if you have a chocolate, you get two little trees. But this is probably better than the Swan because it's moving, I guess. Oh, it's gingerbread carousel. And candy and icing and ooh. Everything. I love gingerbread. That's amazing. Oh look, there's a captain here. But as far as that, you got a lot of nice garland. 1, 2, 3 trees, more garland. What they have here? They have a gingerbread macaroons, carousel cookie, a Stalin, a gingerbread carousel for almost $55. Oh, look at that. What are these specialty snacks they got here? We saw the Swan, we saw the Dolphin, we saw the Beach Club, we saw the Yacht Club. Right, now we're at the Boardwalk Inn, and look at this tree right outside. Is this their only tree? Is that why they put it outside? I don't know, but it has popcorn in it. And a bunny. And a bear. And it has cotton candy. That looks real. No wonder they put it up there. Too high to grab. Nice garland on the outside. Poinsettias out here. And it's Christmas in here. Look at the garland. 2 Christmas trees. That means there's something. Look at the garland. 2 Christmas trees. That means there's something. There's 2 Christmas trees inside. Another gingerbread house. And desserts. Ooh. 68 gallons of orange blossom honey. 54 pounds of flour. 6 pounds of powdered sugar. What? It took 24 cast members. Traditional Italian cookies, Linzer cookies, Mickey caramel corn cookie, Mickey shaved sugar cookie, gingerbread snap cookies, Mickey caramel corn cookie. That looks good. And the traditional Italian cookies. That looks good too. It looks so fun. Look at the garland on the fireplace. That is nice. Look at the garland on the fireplace. Very nice. That is nice. Again, this is the Boardwalk Inn. It actually has 3 Christmas trees, 1 outside and 2 inside. Again, this is the Boardwalk Inn. This guy actually has
this guy just
3 Christmas trees, 1 outside and
like
2 inside.
Maybe $300 or something. I don't know. I'm gonna check the price. And he ran over here just to start putting it on. Did he put on the whole thing? Oh yeah, he has the whole thing on. Yeah, right.
I am here at the Polynesian, and this is the festive cupcake. Chocolate cupcake, peppermint mousse, and chocolate decor, $6.99. Look at it with the palm tree and the little presents.
If you look inside there, the pink stuff's the peppermint flavor. And the rest is like like a chocolate, like icing and chocolate. Pretty good. A little pink present. For sure that's peppermint flavor. This is very good, especially if you love peppermint. It's not too much peppermint, but just the right amount. The pink present isn't peppermint. It's like Play-Doh. I've eaten Play-Doh before. I know what Play-Doh tastes like. Once again, another great dessert. Except for the little pink present. Don't eat the little pink present. I'm not sure if it's edible.
Space Mountain, 5 minutes.
You're naming all these crappy rides, and then when you said Space Mountain, I was waiting for you to say joking.
Yeah.
Trolling. I'm like,
Yeah, Space Mountain, 5 minutes. Well, it says 5 minutes. That's pretty cool. Excellent. All right, just got off Space Mountain. It was a 5-minute wait. Today's Tuesday, and there's a Christmas parade today, so that might be the reason why. I did not notice before that the conveyor belt, when you exit Space Mountain, the conveyor belt is gone. They used to the moving sidewalk is gone. And also, the ball pit's gone. When did that happen? I don't remember that happening. I just rode this ride like last month, I believe. Maybe I didn't notice it. That's strange. Yeah, I'm out of here. Let's go. Incredibles are just in here. Come out of nowhere. This whole thing about Disneyland and the characters are everywhere. Just haven't been to Magic Kingdom. Yeah. Yeah, right. This is one of the best trees I've seen outside of the parks with a huge star on top. Let's see what the Contemporary has to offer in Christmas decorations and food. As we walk up to the Contemporary, there's garland. Of course there's garland.
First up, I'm not a crook room.
I'm not a crook.
Whoa, what's that smell?
It smells like Christmas in here. No other resort had this Christmas smell. This place smells like Christmas. Look at this tree. It has that cinnamon smell. What's this for? Oh, because they got a little coffee shop right here. And a giant reef. And Christmas music. Wow. No bigger tree. Well, they got the big tree outside, small tree inside, bunch of reefs. Another little Christmas tree. More garland and reefs. Another tree over here. Let's go upstairs. Delivering holiday magic. Yes, it is. Oh, over here it doesn't smell like Christmas though. It smells like
Tomato.
a ride.
You said ride?
Like a ride.
It smells like soup.
Could this be a gingerbread Cinderella castle? It is. It is a gingerbread Cinderella castle. Unbelievable. That is so awesome. Does anybody know what happened behind this gingerbread castle? So this is the Contemporary Resort holiday desserts. Look at this. A lot of these, some of these they have in other places, but look at this hazelnut bouchée de Noël, pistachio and cherry cake, Santa Mickey eclair. Oh my God, I love eclairs. Linzer cookie, house-made Christmas tree butter cookie. This is a Hanukkah cookie, peppermint bark. What? Wait a minute, frozen hot cocoa. How does that make sense? Frozen hot cocoa? Maybe, yeah.
I bet.
Oh my God, and a gingerbread martini with alcohol in it. Holy moly. I'm going for this bouchée de Noël. I'm gonna get that. All right, we're in a Contemporary waiting for food. Just gonna get some tomato basil and some loaded fries. A little snack. Plus I got a little snack that I got over there that I showed you earlier. Stay tuned, it's not over yet. We're still going to Hollywood Studios, going to that bar, the Star Wars bar. I forgot the name of it. What's it called?
The Cantina?
The Cantina, Olga's Cantina. We're still gonna go there later, so don't tune out, stay in there. So this is like a little Yule log. I'll eat this later. Some tomato soup on a nice cold day. I wonder if this tastes just like the tomato soup on Main Street. The one they give you, the grilled cheese.
Oh, that.
Oh, you can see the heat. The heat.
hot soup. Looks kind of orange, but it's red. But I mean, it looks kind of yellow, but it's actually red. On the camera, it looks a little yellow. A little saltine crackers in there. This is also eating on a budget because I got this soup and loaded fries for $11. And then this was $7, this dessert. This looks delicious. This is one of the best looking desserts I've seen. And desserts. Let's eat this wreath first. Yeah, you could tell the richness of this. This is really good. This is really good. This is the perfect Christmas dessert. It's sweet, but not that sweet.
Great movie ride. Remember these girls? Only super Disney fans will know.
All right, what are we thinking?
Fuzzy Tauntaun.
Okay.
And what do you want?
Yeah. You want anything to drink?
All right, I'm in Olga's Cantina, and I ordered the Fuzzy Tauntaun. I heard this makes your lips tingle. Ooh. Here we go, Fuzzy Tauntaun. Let's see, is this true? The rumor's true. Does this make your lips bleed or tingle?
That was good. I don't feel no tingle. Where is the Batu bites? This is the Batu bits. What is that, chips? What is this, chips? Feels like a banana chip. Yeah, definitely want to come back here, make reservations, and sit in one of these booths back here.
This next song is banned in 7 systems. That means it's perfect here. Here they are, Cindy and 700 bikers with Drug World.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
You almost done?
I'm almost done. There's so much now.
You can't see it.
You're welcome. You guys want some more drinks?
There's a little bit of water.
Water?
Yeah. Thank you. don't feel no tingle.